All right guys, you have been hounding us giveaway after giveaway. When's the next VL? This one's been in the works for a while, that's why I've been waiting. We're happy to bring to you this white VL Calais with the RB30 pushing over 300 rear wheel kilowatts, the HDT kit. This one's a good one, come take a look. Gonna give you a run through of the VL Calais. Starting off, she's painted in the pristine white. Nothing beats a white Calais. We've got the HDT kit. This sets it apart. This thing looks gorgeous cruising down the street. Honestly, if there's one to keep, I'm choosing this. The VL's rolling on fresh 20-inch HDT Momo stars. We've left the interior stock as a rock, sporting the genuine VL Calais interior in mint condition. Moving on to the heart and soul, this little RB30 is pushing a massive 337 rear wheel kilowatts fueled by corn juice, the good old E85. Now to make that happen, we've gone and given this engine a complete rebuild with new rings and bearings, a bigger head by Horsepower Junkie. It's got bigger cam, valve springs, ARP head studs. It's got the genuine turbo intake manifold, the 6-boost exhaust manifold, a Pulsar GTX 3582 turbo, the Turbo Smart wastegate with the screamer pipe, all the braided lines you could want, custom 3-inch exhaust and dump pipe, the custom cooler kit, Walbro fuel pump, the TrueTrack LSD, coilovers, and a 25 box from the Nissan R33 Skyline. That's it guys. Now remember, this is capped at only 4,000 participants and it's running for just over 3.5 weeks. So I could be giving you a call in a few short weeks letting you know that you've won this VL Calais Turbo. Enter now, good luck.